What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from the auction. Wanted to show you guys this 2010, I believe. No, sorry, 2012 Honda Accord EXL. Beautiful blue color. Only 89,000 miles. Trade in at Marietta Toyota. This car is so nice. It's clean. The armrest, look at that. Look at these seats. Look at that armrest. They even put a seat cover over that seat and there's nothing wrong with it. Just a beautiful example with low miles. 89,000, come on. Got WeatherTech mats. Decent aftermarket tint. Great paint. Ooh, as soon as I say great paint, the spoiler. Gonna do something with the spoiler. It's a 4-cylinder, not a V6. Only bum spot. Only bum spot, and it's so unfortunate. Right here. All the way around. I don't think it got the wheel. Wheel looks pretty straight. But we do have some body damage right there in that fender. Gonna have to be taken care of. My PDR guy could probably work a good bit of that out. That might be a problem, but I mean, this is a beautiful car. Otherwise, cold air, heated seats, smooth Honda 4-cylinder. What you talking about? Smooth. Still smells, got that nice Honda smell with the Honda leather. We might get thrown out of here in a minute. I think I'm past closing time. No, there's still a few more people out here. I never did find the car I came out here to see. I came out here to see one car and end up looking at all these others because I couldn't find the one I wanted. So I'll just tell you guys about it a little bit. 2016 Mercedes E350 with 200,000 miles, and it was a repossession. And the last repo Mercedes I got was my E550 2010, and I paid 2,000 bucks for it. So I was hoping I might could scoop this one up for cheap as well. But it's not here. It's on the list, but I've ridden the entire property and can't find it. So not sure what the hell's going on with that. Oh, Honda seat belt. Okay. Honda seat belt. First thing that goes would be the seat cover because it does not fit very well. We do have an airbag light on. Pretty typical Honda stuff there for you. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, so smooth. So smooth. You can't beat these old Honda 2.4 4-cylinders. I mean, they're not powerhouses, but they're just so smooth. Good motors, good running, good gas mileage. Timing chain, not a timing belt. I see these cars here with hundreds of thousands of miles on them sometimes. So this one with just 89,000 miles, I mean, it's just a baby. Just a baby. Got the sunroof, cold air, nice wood grain, heated seats. Oh my, feel my heated seat, don't want that. Anyway, just a little short one there. 2012 Honda Accord EXL. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all with the next one. Peace.